In this tutorial, we're going to explore a powerful Git trick to help you review changes before committing. Are you tired of committing code without reviewing it first? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to learn how to master Git diffs with one simple command. When working on a project, it's easy to make changes without reviewing them properly. But what if you could see exactly what you've changed before committing it? This is where Git diffs come in. The solution lies in using the Git diff command with two powerful options, cached and word-diff. The cached option shows changes that are staged for commit, while word-diff shows changes at the word level. Let's see this in action. Suppose we've made some changes to our code, and we want to review them before committing. We can use the Git diff, cached, word-diff command to see the changes. When using Git diff, cached, word-diff, make sure to use it before committing changes. Also, be aware that word-diff can be slow for large files. Use it wisely and make sure you're reviewing the right changes. That's it. With this simple trick, you can master Git diffs and review changes before committing. Remember to subscribe for more tech tutorials and Git tips. Happy coding!